Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Hi, Lila. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is April 26th. I have my hoodie on. I have my vest on. It is 50 degrees outside. Switch hands here. And the overnight temperature for the next couple days is going to be in the low 30s, possibly 28 one night. So, little quick tour. Let me spin you about. These guys, hoops closed. And this stuff is looking pretty good. Radishes, salsify. Look at the salsify. It has salsified. I do need to go find that package because I'm unsure of how to thin it. I did put this netting on because you're supposed to get some crazy bomb and rain. Carrots, doing good. Parsnips, absolutely nothing. Cold frame, great. These hoops, great. Hey, look at those beds. Great. But it is going to be super cold. Spin you around. So today, if you guys haven't watched it, I'll leave a link for the little hoop video. Yeah, I think that video should be out. There's me thinking. But see the hoops behind me? I don't have netting that we'll go over because they're too tall, but that's kind of the way I want them. Let me spin you around. But we planned it out. We have cabbage, we have rutabaga, we have some onions, which all but one really took. We have kohlrabi and baby choy. I realize it all is a cold, hardy vegetables in here, which is why they're in so early. I don't know what that was. But the thing is, with those temperatures, that's super frost area. They're talking flurries maybe tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna test out my hoops, my big tall hoops. And I did tape this board going down there, and I'm gonna fleece them up. And this is freeze cloth, fleece, whatever you want to call it. I've used it before. And it really helps when the temperatures dip and it keeps the wind off if it gets windy. So anyways, I'm gonna get some out and fleece it up. Oh yeah, I'll put some fleece on the carrots too. And the parsnips probably. Here we go. Okay, we're all fleeced up. It's chilly out here, I'll tell you that. It's the overnight temperatures that I'm worried about. So I'm gonna spin you around and give you a tour of the fleece. That was the netting that was on, it's now off. So here is that big long bed, and it worked out pretty good. Didn't really put any clips. I put some in the corners just where the ends are coming together. But I just stretched over, got it kind of tight. It blows in little places like that. Let me zoom out, get a better shot. There we go. But it's fairly tight. We got a bunch of rocks holding her down, and the plants are far enough away from the fleece, and everything's looking kind of good. Over here where the fava beans came up, I know they're cold hardy and all that stuff, but the 4 I put in right there, which took a month, but they came up looking good. The other 4 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags. They're just sprouting. They're about yay big. And I have 4 downstairs I played around, started in a pot a couple weeks ago, and they're looking good. But this is all fleeced up because, well, you know, why not? That's, you know, it's not gonna, ooh, I left my dibber out. Now, over here, I really had no need to fleece the garlic, but I did plant some Swiss chard and mustards, and there's a bunch of little seedlings popped up, and I figured, well, let's give them a little better of a shot. So some of the garlic sticking out, it's fine. The carrots, they're fleeced up. As far as I can tell, no parsnips have shown their self yet, but don't want it to freeze. So that's fleeced up. So we got fleece and hoops, and that's April in Western Pennsylvania. My goodness gracious. But pretty soon, couple weeks, it's gonna be nice. Oh, there's my fingers. Spin you around. Okay, well, hey, this is just a quick little gardening update. April in Western Pennsylvania, we're gonna have some flurries. We're gonna have cold weather. So we fleeced up, we hooped up. Cross your fingers, everything should be good. But hey, like, subscribe, share around. Check out the channel for some other videos, some different things that are going on that we're building. Yeah, that's April. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.